Hello everyone, and welcome to Coffee Chat with BallroomVille, where we chat about everything ballroom dancing. Grab a cup of coffee and let's start to chat. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever we upload a new video. Okay, so let's get into the new questions. Okay, the first one is, I'm 16 and want to start taking ballroom dance classes again, but haven't taken lessons since I was 11. Is it too late to start competing? No, why would it be too late? It's all about how much effort and how much time you dedicate to it and how good you want to be. If your goal is to get on the dance floor, I think that there's no reason why you wouldn't be able to do that and get onto the competition floor. I know actually quite a few professional dancers who have had great careers and actually started dancing in university, or they started a lot later even than 16. So I'd say if that's what you want to do, just be prepared to work hard and have a lot of dedication towards your dancing. If you have it in your mind, you can likely get there. And also you have to have the right team around you. Okay, so it says, what is a good age to start taking ballroom dancing? Every age is great to start taking dance lessons. We actually have children as young as 3 and 4 come in for lessons, and all the way up through 90 years old. Every age is a perfect age to start dancing. There's really no restriction on when you can start. The next one is, has there been a decline in ballroom dancing? If so, why? Actually, I only see an increase in ballroom dancing and the awareness of it. With shows like Dancing with the Stars and World of Dance, and they're showing a lot of partner dancing, a lot of couple dancing, and ballroom dancing, it increases even more awareness. And I see actually that there are a lot more people that are becoming involved in ballroom dancing. And you can even see it in the competition scene. There are a lot more people coming and dancing in competitions, and also in local community dance groups, they're growing larger and larger. So actually, I'd say quite the opposite. It's definitely not on the decline, it's on the upswing for sure. A lot more people have been getting involved, but that's a very good question. Okay, let's go ahead and look for one more. What are ballroom dance floors made of? Ideally, a ballroom dance floor should be a wood floor that's a flat surface without any crevices or separation in the boards. And also, if you're looking at a professional floor, it should be slightly sprung and also floating. So it's easy on the joints and you can spend a lot more time practicing your craft. But that's a great question. Well, thank you so much everyone for joining me today for our coffee chat with BallroomVille. If you haven't done so already, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever we upload a new video. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.